Had a wide range of trades today. EVP1, one of our top strategies today, really hitting these infinity type trades where it trades to the close or from a trailing stop loss. In this case, huge move in the NASDAQ futures. Plus, we had a gain on Friday, a little bit of a gain on Friday's close on that rally into the close. And then a gap up today, shorted for 2250 is where it exited. Got in at 2904, so close to 300 points on the short side, reversed to the long side. So massive gains today in EVP1. It's in our micro stock index and micro gold portfolio. We did have a series of losers as well, so we're going to go over all the trades on the day. Wanted to point out these top trades at first. We also had over here in AT 2020 ES tick pulse V12. I don't think it's traded since February, and so huge gain, plus 1537.50. That's pretty big for the S&P to gain that. It did give a lot back, but you have over 100-point range in the E-mini S&P. AT 2020 ES V2 plus 2612.50 on that trade, and the short only version also captured the move, plus 2612.50. So these strategies have the potential to capture what we call the infinity trades. It's not literally infinity, but bigger than the average, so much bigger than the average trade when you just let them run on big trending days like this. 34.55 on tick pulse NQ V12, and so those are some of the trades on the day. We'll go over all the strategies. So going over all the strategies today, SR counter 2 V2 1M minus 825, 5M minus 825. SR counter 2 ES minus 825. These are correlated. Tried to buy that dip. This is in line with what the market's been doing. Market trend is strong. Try to buy that dip, but on a day like today, you have to wait for huge dips that usually don't ever happen. They usually don't happen this big, and sometimes when they do, they're big, and then sometimes it can be the beginning of a reversal. So we'll see with the Georgia runoffs, and also what Carl Icahn said today. We'll go over that. In my day, I've seen a lot of wild rallies with a lot of mispriced stocks, but there is one thing they all have in common. Eventually, they hit a wall and go into a major painful correction. Nobody can predict what will happen, but when that does happen, look out below. Another thing they have in common is it's always said it's different this time, but it never turns out to be the truth. Heard that on CNBC today, and he's one of the Carl Icahn. You see Icahn, it's also one of the trading icons. Legendary investor. He made a huge sum in the 2016 election trading futures on election night. We've talked about that before, so want to kind of listen to what Carl Icahn says when he has to speak and potentially gauge that for sentiment. We don't necessarily change our strategy, but it's always encouraging to know the potential for a two-sided market coming up. We like to see natural pullbacks instead of a market that's stuck in a fixed income like mode. So tick pulse V12, we already went over that, plus 1537.50. 60-minute breakout, plus 1250. That one's still open. Cobra 3 ES, minus 625. Adaptive moving average, minus 525. It had the first trade was stopped out and then got a nice short and then reversed to long. 60-minute breakout short, round break even. Market went short here, lost, profitable, lost. We're not trading this strategy. We're not trading all these strategies. We're just going over all the strategies that you have access to if you have the all strategy access. And if you don't have the all strategy access, you have pay attention, and when we call out your strategy, you'll know what the results were for the day on your strategy, or you can contact us to see the latest results. Asia 4 plus 1,025. We already went over these two at plus 2,600. Those are the base ES strategies. NQ, AC 2020 NQ minus 25. Almost had a good trade on the day. Got that break even stop. Take count trend 2020 plus 525. Two winners, one loser. And again, once again, tick pulse NQ V12 plus 34.55. Cobra 3. Cobra 3 NQ minus 625. It reversed on us. 60-minute breakout minus 1,025. Crude oil gap fill in reverse minus 525. Natural gas. No trades on the day. RBOB, no trades on the day. Gold, we had a few trades on the day, two here and one in the beta workspace. Cobra gold minus 625 on the long side. Just stopped out at that low point. Gold was up $52 today, minus 525 on Asia Gold short. Silver, no trades on the day. Euro plus 437.50. Soybeans, one long trade plus 275. Beta workspaces, we already went over the EVP NQ. Viper plus 400. VSD minus 1480. EVP2 Gold minus 525. And those are the trades on the day. Beta C, we have PR Breakout minus 725. VSD ES minus 1125, minus 495 on 60-minute breakout A, 60-minute breakout B, minus 160 on the day. So those are the trades on the day. Looking forward to the runoff elections tomorrow to see what the results are and how the market responds.